Hi, I'm Greg Lawrence.
And I'm Catherine Auman.
We're from the Transpersonal Center, and we have some exciting news today. We are soon going to be releasing our online course, Tantra, the Science of Creating Your Soulmate.
This is really exciting to us because right before the pandemic, we started doing our live workshops, and we got really great feedback, if I do say so myself. And then the pandemic hit, and we had to figure out what to do, so we took these day-long workshops and we collapsed them into 2-hour online workshops. Obviously, there's not the same amount of exercises, but we were able to get some exercises in there, so we felt really good. They've been quite popular for the last 2 years. But people would ask us, I missed that one segment. When is that coming up again? And it was unclear to people what the order was or what was going on. They were appreciative, but it was like, what's the next step? We get that question a lot. What's the next step? So we have put all the steps together in a chronological order, and we're going to be releasing that whole thing as a basic intro to Tantra.
So we have combined the science of creating your soulmate, the foundations of conscious touch, tantric secrets about men, tantric secrets about women, how to become a tantric lover, and letting go into the mystery into one course that you can access at any time.
It's really quite magical and wonderful, and it's you always say I have a strange idea of what's G-rated. There's nothing explicit about it. There's no nudity. There's nothing that really would make you squirm. It's I can't even say family friendly, can I?
No, you can't.
I mean, there's some stuff that's really about sex, but it's done in it's not the reputation of Tantra being wild and exhibitionist at all. It's for adults.
We often get the question, do I need to have a partner to practice Tantra? The answer is no, you don't. There's a lot you can do on your own. So in this course, we have some downloads, some worksheets, some different exercises and techniques that you can practice, and we've made sure to create versions of those that you can do solo or with a partner. So this class is really for everyone.
So we'll be releasing more information about it, and we'll let you know when it's live, and we just wanted to titillate you a little bit today into looking forward to it.
Look forward to seeing you.